In our last video, we looked at how to deal with the rules of surds. We looked at rule 1, where we times into surds together to give us a product, and rule 2, where it was the fractional form of this. Now, while we were looking at this, we found a few examples where surds start to simplify down, and this we've seen previously when we looked at gathering surds. Okay, I wanted to show you how we can simplify surds down without stumbling across them. Now, to do this, we have to write down all the factor pairs of the surd that we're looking at. We're going to choose the pair with the largest square number, rewrite a surd as a product of the two roots, writing the square number first, and then simplify down. Now, that might seem like a lot, and it might seem confusing as to what I'm trying to say, but this should become relatively straightforward. Right, so root 8 is the first one we're going to have a look at, and it says, first of all, to write all the factor pairs. So, factors of 8, start with the lowest number that goes into 8, that's 1 times 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 3 isn't in there. 4 is already written down, which means that we've got all the factors of 8. Now, remember our square numbers was the result of multiplying a number by itself. So, for example, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 9's gone too far. So we've now highlighted what our squared numbers were from that factor table. So it says choose the pair with the largest square number. Well, the largest square number is 4, so I'm going to choose this pair here. I'm going to rewrite my surd with the 4 under the first square root sign. So root 4 times root 2. Now we know that root 4 is 2 times root 2, which is just 2 root 2. Okay. Our second example, we've got root 32. So again, factors of 32. Start off with 1, or 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 3 doesn't work, 4 times 8, 5, 6, and 7 don't go into 32 exactly, and 8 is already here, so we've got our square numbers. So we've got all of our factors. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 9's not there, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, and 6 squared is 36, neither of those are there. So we're going to, as we did in the last one, we're going to rewrite with the largest square number. So we've got root 16 is our largest one that we've got there. So I'm going to rewrite this as root 16 root 2. And notice I'm just cutting out having to put the time sign in between them. We can just use shorthand here. Root 16 we know is 4, so this becomes 4 root 2. Okay. Root 27. So factors of 27, 1 times 27. It's an odd number, so no even numbers will go into this exactly. 3, however, goes in 9 times. 5 and 7 don't go in. So there we have it. We've got all of our factors of 27. 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, and that's all of our squared numbers. So this is the pair with my largest square number. So root 9, root 3, which is just 3 root 3. And just to show you, it's not always going to be a number on this side of our table. If we look at the factors of 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. 1, 4, 9's not there, 16's not there, 25's not there. Okay, our largest square number is 4. So we're going to rewrite this as being root 4, root 6. And we know that root 4 is 2, so this is 2 root 6. Okay. There are loads of exercises up online for you already. Those of you that are working in the National 5 Glow groups, please give these a go. It is vital that you can simplify surds down. They don't just come up in the surds section, they could come up in various other sections of the course as well. Thanks.